However, we are more focused on that, or allow the operator to show location more than the other.
And the thing Simon was trying to ask is, at this moment, you are advising a zone, but you have a different call it a procedure on your RF gun to look up free locations. That's not now in Reflex, the RF dialogue. We either make a choice to advise on a specific location or on a zone. And it's not a combination of the two. So so this is typically, I think, something for BFC. So we will deep dive into the discussions during the blueprint for BFC, because during NC discussion we said, well, it's large enough for the operator to have in his mind where is the best location, because it's walking around every time through the warehouse. So at this moment we don't see or feel the need, at least, to discuss it in more in depth. But I think for BFC we need to discuss, okay, what is the right? So like Cesar said, maybe we need to advise on a specific location, and then from that even the operator can show also the zone. And because you are able to overrule the location, it's just an advice.
Just to minimize the time for looking for.
Yeah, exactly. But then advise on a specific location, because then you have the best, according to the system, location. But that's a discussion that's coming up in the blueprint.
And we would like to test for NC for standard pallet the possibility to get to the operator the best location, but always allow him to overrule it.
Yeah.
What kind of validations can you put on a location? You show the size of the product or the weight of the product?
Yes, there are for those cases, of course, you have the size on the heavy, the first input we have. Then you can check to allow or not to have multiple items in location. That means if there are already something in location, you allow it or you don't allow it to continue. And then there are more the characteristic of the item that we don't really use now for bolt-on solution, like batch numbers or this kind of thing that we control, but at the moment we don't enter those fields. So basically those.
Yeah. You want some time to write down your remarks, or should we discuss some of the mock-ups we created? Well, that's probably the mock-up then.
Ik ga wel